And we are going to be close, okay? So we are going to be in a bent leg position, 90 degrees at the hip and knee. So you're pretty close to your wall. And my trick, elbow lined up with pelvis, block goes in line with the elbow. Replace the elbow with your shoulder, and then you have a nice lined up position. As far as using this block, you don't have to use the block, but it might be handy to either hold it in your hands. You could even hug it like this. Some people like this, all right? And then we're gonna use it later. So choose what you like, and then we're going to bring our foot, top foot and knee in line with our hip, okay? So basically, it would be like if you're doing a squat, okay? If you have pretty good hips and you're up for the challenge, I'm gonna nominate Andre. Okay, then you're gonna place that weight right on top. You're just gonna rest it there. So he's gonna bring his hip in line with his hip, his pelvis, okay? And he's gonna hold it there. Ta-da! Okay, the ribs are not invited to this party. You're gonna rotate your top hip and your kneecap's gonna travel, keeping the heel planted, not moving the foot at all. You're gonna travel by rotating the pelvis forward that way, towards the wall, not down, this way. Yes, that's right. And then he's gonna pull the kneecap back from the bottom of his booty, so from the sit bone. All right, right, so right here, if you can imagine his thigh bone shooting out. And that's it, super simple, right? Inhale as you rotate forward. Make sure your kneecap does not go down, it only goes forward. Oh yeah, feel that stretch in the pelvis maybe, and then thigh bone pulls back. This is gonna really help us set up for our hip cars. Good, all right, you got 3 more. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Inhale forward. The weight also helps because if you drop it, the weight will slide, and exhale back. Bottom of the booty. And on the last one, inhale forward. Might even get a little pop in your back. And exhale back, uh-oh, and back. And it's okay, we can take our weights off now. Yeah, okay, there is a tendency to lift the heel up. Bring this down more. It's making you think that you're finding more rotation. It's a trick. Your body's tricking you. Butt out more though, Andre. Yes, knee up too. Thigh up, more.
This hip.
This hip says like, maybe no weight?
I can fight through it.
Okay, he's gonna fight through it. All right, ready? We're gonna kneecap forward, pelvis rotates, keep that up. Hello, keep your foot down. Go for it, Andre. Go, okay, pull the booty back. Bottom of the booty, not the top. So waistband likes to come back. I want you to think low, really low. Okay, kneecap up though. Even more, mister. Yes, kneecap goes forward. Yes, and pull it back. There it is, it's waking up. That's it, good. Kneecap forward. And pull this. So I'm fish lining that thigh bone higher with the leg. Thigh bone higher. Inhale forward. Go for it. Exhale back, 1 more. Good. All right, try to touch my hand. Go, touch my hand over there. Inhale forward, touch my hand, touch my hand. Oh my goodness, and pull it back. Okay, you can get rid of your weight, but now I want you to continue thinking about that thigh bone position, especially when you do your hip flex. Okay, so that's when we tend to round the spine. So that's when I really want you to think about it. Yeah, so keep it pulled back.